Hi guys, well, I finished my trip and my trip ended up being a lot smaller than what I expected because since it was early activation, the store is saying that if the deal is still showing the price from last week and not the ones that is starting tomorrow, they won't be able to print ECB, manually print it. So if we wanted to do the deal and the prices were showing as last week and not the one starting for tomorrow, we won't be able to get the ECB, so they cannot forcibly print it. So we weren't able to do some of the items, but everything that we were able to get is the bidder that I'm showing today, and it would have been $90. It's crazy that without the special price and coupons, it would have been $90, but it came out to free and $9 moneymaker. So let me share with you the items I did get. This item is going to be on special. The original price is $8.59, but they will be able to reduce $3.60, making it $4.99, which is pretty good. There is a coupon that I did get that we should be getting for tomorrow's insert, deducting $3. And so that will make it $1.99, but I have an offer on my savings star that expires today. So hopefully it does go in. And if it does go in and we gotta get my cash back from savings star, which is $2, it will make this item totally free. I got two different makeup items for this card. It was a Physicians Formula, the cucumber, the eye item, and the other one was a Revlon lustrous lip. The reason why was because I had a CVS coupon saying that if I buy $14 worth of makeup, they'll deduct $4. So what I did was I purchased one of the Physicians Formula. At this store was a little bit more pricey. The item was $10.79. I used that coupon that expires tomorrow, deducting $3. And then I got $7 ECB, making it 79 cents for that item. And then for the Revlon lustrous, it was $6.99. I used that $4 coupon on that item from CVS, and also the $3 coupon that we're expecting on Sunday. And I got back a 4 ECB, making it free after the ECBs have been applied, and $3.22 moneymaker. For this deal, you could remember the Revlon items like the plumping, the lip, the lustrous. You could do them. I believe the limit was 6. So here is another idea. As you can see in the flyer, for the plumping lip, it will be $7.99, and for the lustrous lip, is $6.99. They were both on special, so on that, we were able to save $3.50 just on the special price. I also had a coupon that says 3 off 12, and it's specified on Revlon Cosmetics. And I used 2 coupons deducting $3 each for the lip item. So in the register, I ended up paying $5.98, but I got back a $3 ECB for one and $4 ECB for the other one. Right away, I submitted my receipt to checkout 51, and I got back $1 cash back, which I got that like in less than 20 minutes. So it made these two items totally free and $2.02 moneymaker. I really like this blush from Almay, but it could be very expensive. And even in the store that I went to that does have the early activation, the prices are a little bit higher. But I was able to do my trip a lot earlier, so I think it's worth it to do it there. The blush at this store is $13.29. And I was able to use a coupon, the manufacturer coupon, deducting 4 for face products. And I also had a $3 coupon Almay from CVS. So I was able to use both. And after those 2 coupons deducted, my total came out to $6.29. At the end of my receipt, I received a $4 ECB. But then I submitted my receipt to cash back. Since this is a face product item, it gave me back, instead of $1.50. So my total came out to 79 cents. Olay is a really good body wash, and as you can see from the price, the original price is $8.69, but they're on special buy 2 for $10, which is still pretty good. So I was able to use 2 coupons, deducting $1 each, but I also wanted to use my coupon that says 2 off 8 Dove body wash or any other body wash, and I was able to use that coupon as well. So in the register, after the coupons were applied, I paid $6, but at the end of my receipt, I received $2 to ECB, making it a total of $4 or just $2 each body wash. This item did not make it to the picture, but it was one that I did get, and I wanted to include it to see if you're interested because it's free. What I did was I purchased one. The special price was $3. That's why it took longer for us, because we needed to verify the price. But luckily, the price did change, and we did wanted to get back the ECB, so that was working. Then we gave our $1 from P&G as a coupon, so we paid $2 in the register. We got back to ECB, making it free. I was surprised I received this coupon. It's been a long time since we've been getting coupons in our email, so I was happy to get it. This one was a little different. You cannot send it to the app. You actually have to print it and use it in the store once you go, because it does specify that it's in store purchases. So after I finished my haul, the $10 were deducted from my total because I did surpass $25. As you could see, your totals could easily add up, and without coupons or deals, the total would have been $90.80. But all the coupons that we use, including the CVS and manufacturer, it deducted $62.97, and we received an ECBs and cash back from checkout 51, $37.50, making this a total of $9.67 moneymaker. I don't know if this has happened to you. You sometimes see a haul and you'll be like, oh, I wish I could have had all those coupons because then that would have been my total, but that's not the case. Well, in case you didn't have that coupon, which most likely you probably didn't get it, maybe it will be selected for next week or so forth, the $10 off when you spend $25. You could do this whole same scenario if you have those CVS coupons like the On May or the 3 off for Revlon or a similar one, 3 off 12 cosmetics. Let's say you have all these same coupons, especially the one from CVS, deducting the $10.25. This haul could be, it could have been 33 cents for everything, which is still pretty good. It's a still pretty good haul. This is a bonus. I'm just including other ways that while I'm in the store, I'm getting other points or the rewards as well. So might as well take advantage of it. This is an app that we've been having, well, I think since 2013, I believe, as soon as they came out. It's Shopkick, and I'm going to provide that in the description box if you're interested. If you use my link and you just open the app and walk into a store, automatically you will get $2 to your account, and then you could also use your link to refer to other people you know, and family members. It's very easy. All we do is open the app, and every store that we have gone to, including the mall, you open the app and it gives you kicks. That means points just for going into a store. Also, if you go to the store and you scan some products that they have in their app, you will get bonus points. Sometimes I have gotten 100 points, sometimes 50, 15, depending. And it has added up. We have been able to go shopping at the mall for our kids, back to school, with the gift cards we have earned from Shopkick. So it is very worth it. It's one that we love. And just to go to the stores that you go to, you just have to do is open the app and scan a few items, and automatically the points do piled up. This weekend they were giving a lot of points if you go to especially places in the mall, like 100 kicks. So it is very much worth it. I really like it, and that's why I'm saying it, to recommend it to you guys if you guys are interested. So I got 15 kicks just from walking into CVS, and I also got other kicks just for scanning some products while I was couponing in the store. As you can see, I really love couponing. I love being frugal. I love being able to save and not limit myself to get some good products. I hope that this haul, even though it came out kind of small, was a way for you to see that you could actually do this, save so much money, and maybe take advantage of some deals that maybe you have missed. So I hope this video was helpful and you really enjoyed it, and you're excited to go couponing and doing your own haul as well. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. video and give it a like if you like the video. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.